What's up, beautiful people, and welcome to another episode of Don't Keep Up with the Joneses. 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 What's up, beautiful people, to another episode of Don't Keep Up with the Joneses. It's your boy Ricky Jones Jr. and I am back for another video, and this one is a review, okay, an unboxing. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, I have it. The new Alexa Echo Dot thingamabobber or whatever. I don't know. It just came out. I'm excited about it. We have an Alexa home like talking system situation, and I'm excited about this new tech. Actually, because it's not like the screen situation, but it's like the Echo with a clock going around it, which this is gonna go in the living room because we have one there. We don't really have a clock there, so now we will have one there and a clock there. Okay, so I purchased this bad boy and I am excited about it. I will put a link in the description below if this is something that you are interested in getting yourself, which I mean, it's the holiday time, right? So maybe you don't want it for yourself, maybe you want it for somebody else, and yeah, this is what you want. So you open the bad boy box and you see it's called the Echo Dots. It's the Echo Dots. Hey, it's the Echo Dots. All right, nice bubble wrap. Little bubble wrap goes a long way. Nonetheless, I will use this box as my table, okay? Matter of fact, let me have a little drink break. I know I love my Martinelli's, okay? Alright, we have our Alexa Echo Dot, ladies and gentlemen, Amazon product. Alexa, if that is your thing. Sorry if Alexa is around you because I keep saying Alexa and it's probably like, what do you want, okay? What do you want? What do you want? I actually don't have Alexa in this room. But now that we have this one, I can put one in this room and we'll be good to go. Oh my goodness. I love how simple the boxing is. There was just a strip to take at the back. But when you open the box, you got your one-step, two-step connection activated. Look at this, ladies and gentlemen. Just like that, we have everything we need. If I take this out, I have the blue one. There's like a white one and then there's like a blue one. And I, ladies and gentlemen, have the new blue one. Oh my gosh, look at her. Nothing like a new smell, right? It doesn't have to be necessarily a new car. It could just be a new smell, okay? Nothing like the new smell. So you get your Echo Dot and then you get your power that comes along with it. It does not have the block. It is connected, you know. There's no block that you boom, you know, insert in with your usual charger scenario. It's the block that just goes into this bad boy. Boop, plug into the wall. You're good to go. The cord is nice and long for those who have like a long reach to go. I necessarily won't for where it is going to go next to the TV in the family room. So, but it's long. It's probably like, it's like my height, okay? And it doesn't say a lot, but it says enough, okay? It's long enough. So you also get your book. You also get your important information, you know, whatever that important information is. I actually never looked at this before, and I'm honestly not gonna start now, okay? So then you have your hello, how to set up your bad boy, okay? So at the end of the day, if you have an Alexa tool, you already know how to do it. You just plug it into the back, boom, just like that. This is your power source. We are going to take this, plug it into the wall, and then we should get some light. So let's focus on this. This is now the focus of this video, if it wasn't already, okay? All right, so now we have it plugged in. I will need my phone. Ooh, look at it. I feel like I'm one of those people that's like, oh, let me read your hands, let me read your palms. Ah. Calm me now for your feet terror reading. If you know, you know. Let me get my phone. Alright, so now that I have my phone, so we pull up the Alexa app. It is now searching for where it can connect, I am sure.
Hello. Your device is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
Hola, vamos a empezar. Instala la app de Alexa y sigue las instrucciones.
Bonjour. Votre appareil est prêt pour la configuration. Téléchargez l'application Alexa et suivez les instructions.
Wow, we speak English at this house and with a little bit of Spanish. So we're gonna go with the English route, but nonetheless, we have what we need. It is now searching for the Wi-Fi. All you have to do, plug it in, hook up the app, find it, connect it to your Wi-Fi that you use on your home, at your home, things like that. And then once you go ahead and do that, then my friends, we have a connected Echo Dot. And you can start speaking to it and saying different things to it that you needed to do. Just like that.
Your Echo is ready.
It is ready. That did not take long at all. So, you know, you have the alarm clock, you have the timer, you have the alarm. Like we use all of this. Which room is it going in? It's actually going into the family room. And it's probably asking those questions because I actually do have an Echo Dot there, and I also have smart lights in the room. So when you're in the room and you want the lights to go off, you just say, "Hey Alexa, turn lights off," and then it will do that. So,
Okay.
Clearly, it'll do that. But the lights are already off in there, so we really won't have that problem. So just like that, it is set up. You want to know, where it is, all that good stuff, and you're good. You're good. Just like that, the Alexa Dot is set up. So, just for kicks and giggles, let's hear a joke. Hey Alexa, can you tell us a joke, please?
Why did Johnny Appleseed cross the road? To get to the other cider.
Wow. How fitting is that? I'm drinking my apple cider, and the joke is about Johnny the Apple Man. That was terrible. But the Alexa, the Echo Dot is beautiful. Look at the clock. Oh, I love it. And the time is already accurate. It sets up everything that you have set up with your Alexa app or your Amazon app. So again, with the Echo Dot, have your app set up, have your app ready, because it is an easy connection. Literally, it said 2 steps, and it was 2 steps. Well, it didn't say 2 steps. It just said 2 things. Boom, boom. 2 steps. We're happy. I'm happy. It's done. It's connected. It is ready to go to be a asset to my home, an asset to my family, and a timekeeper, so that we don't have to have our phones in the family room. We can just focus on each other. So I'm excited about it. I'll give it a week and just have some fun with it. Then I'll do a review, let you know how it is and how things are going. But nonetheless, it looks good. It's lightweight. The cushion is right. I'll see what the sound is like and things like that, because we do have like parties, like we play music, and we play music everywhere, and so there's music in every room and things like that. So I'll let you know what the sound quality is, and all that good stuff. Let me know in the comment section below what things that you would like for me to test out, that I could test out before you have to buy it and realize it is or isn't what you want, okay? Nonetheless, I love you all. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe to this channel, DKUJ, palettes, and more, because we have so much fun, and not just with palettes, but with tech and things like that as well. Okay. Well, beautiful people, I'll see you. Bye.